Osmosis is the net movement of water molecules from an area of high water concentration to an area of low water concentration. This movement occurs through a partially permeable membrane. The partially permeable membrane allows water molecules to pass through but restricts the passage of larger solute molecules. Osmosis helps maintain water balance in biological systems. The process continues until equilibrium is reached, where the water concentration is equal on both sides of the membrane. Osmosis is essential in plant cells for maintaining turgor pressure. In a hypotonic environment, water enters the plant cell, causing it to become turgid. Turgidity provides the plant with rigidity, enabling it to stand upright. In a hypertonic environment, water exits the plant cell, leading to flaccidity. Flaccidity results in the wilting of the plant. The balance of water movement into and out of the cell is critical for plant health. Osmosis is crucial for maintaining cellular integrity in animal cells, such as red blood cells. In a hypotonic solution, red blood cells swell due to water influx, potentially leading to cell rupture. In a hypertonic solution, red blood cells shrink as water moves out of the cell. Isotonic solutions maintain a balanced water concentration, preventing cell damage. Hospitals use isotonic saline solutions to prevent damage to blood cells during medical procedures. Maintaining osmotic balance is critical for cellular health and proper physiological function.